In this video, we will show you how to install and operate the offline TOC. First, we need to find two tubes from the accessories. Connect them to the inlet and outlet ports. After the tubes are connected, plug in the power cable, then press the power button. The analyzer will enter the interface of operation. This is the login page. 3 permission levels: super administrator, administrator, and user. For the first time login, use the super administrator account. The password is 12, then click OK. After entering the main page, there are 4 functions: set, test, wash, and history. Before testing, the analyzer needs to be washed. So we click the wash button. So we have forward wash, back wash, stop wash, and wash end. Forward wash, put the inlet tube into purified water. The outlet tube will discharge the water normally. After 15 minutes forward wash, then click stop wash. Then we click back wash. For back wash, put the outlet tube into purified water and the inlet tube will discharge wastewater normally. After 50 minutes for back wash, remove the outlet tube from the purified water. Until no water is discharged from the inlet, we just stop wash and click wash end. The washing process is complete. After washing, we can start to test. Then we click the test. Prepare the sample solution for testing. Put the inlet tube into sample solution and outlet tube will discharge wastewater. Then click test. So you will see 3 basic information on this page. They can be filled or left blank. If no information is needed, just click OK directly to start the test. Then the test is divided into several times. The test time is about 8 minutes and 18 seconds to 20 seconds for one sample. Now we just wait for the test to finish. After the test is completed, the analyzer will give an automatic prompt. When the test is finished, the analyzer will drain the liquid first. After drained, it will ask whether to continue the testing. We click No. Then the next prompt asks, do you need to print the data? We click Yes. Then you can sign here and click OK. So on this page, you can select the printing content. And you just click OK. Now it is printing now. This is the data from the test, and then we exit the test page. This is the data from the test. The first washing time should be longer. When we test the second sample, the analyzer also needs to be washed first. The washing time only needs 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check the history. The system stores test data here. If you want to print from the history data page, select the required row, then printing will start. The printed history data is simpler. It only includes the TOC data and the time. Then we click Back. Now we look at the function of setting. Analyzer setting includes a calibration function. The analyzer has been calibrated before leaving the factory. Calibration is usually needed every 6 months to 1 year. Then we see the data setting. The system time can be changed here. Then this is the export function. We prepare a USB flash drive with about 8 GB of storage. Insert the USB. Wait for more than 10 seconds. This allows the system to recognize the USB. Then click Export. The system will export the history data to the USB flash drive. After clicking History again, the corresponding historical data will be exported to the USB flash drive. Now we are back to the setting and continue to check the next function alarm. During the testing, the alarm data can be set according to your requirements. When the test result reaches the set alarm data, the system will alarm automatically. The next function is user set. Here we can add administrator and operator. Fill in the corresponding user mesh information in the name part and fill in the password. Then click Add. The user information will be added to the user list. Then this user's password can be used to log in. Next function is Audit. The audit function checks every operation in the real time from system login. For example, the super administrator logged in just now and a few samples test was also performed. All these operations are checked. These records cannot be deleted and modified. Click back. This is the complete process.